Oh, my nuts just tickled there a little bit. Might need to put it in gear first. That might be a good thing to do, Freddie. Jesus Christ. Alright, go. What's up everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Right, so I'm riding here with James, who's a friend of mine, and obviously Gabby is on the Beamer, and James is about to get absolutely spanked. Ready? Oh, we're gonna get in so much trouble. I hope my camera's okay. There's one on my arse. How is it like this? Really? Oh, yeah, sure, right now?
I don't know why I keep holding backwards. Actually, I know why.
Why?
It's too fast.
Right. Well, my GoPro on my arse kind of just came off. Right, let's get the knee down on the roundabout. Didn't get my knee down, but we're getting there. We're getting there, boys. It's getting close to that point in time where Duke Blade will be able to say, oh, look, I've actually scuffed my knee sliders without using sandpaper. So James over here is riding an XSR 900, which is, to be completely honest with you, a mental bike. It is essentially it's an MT-09 that's kind of like been fitted to a cafe racer frame, and I believe it puts out about 114 brake horsepower to the rear wheel, which is mad, and it is a triple as well. So it's similar to Triumph, it's similar to Gabby's bike. Essentially what that means is like a super linear and strong power band. On my bike, you need to get into a certain RPM to get all the mental power out of it, whereas on his bike you twist the throttle and there's no sort of like notice a point where the power goes whoop, which is probably a very good way to have motorcycles built, because it means that you have more sort of usable real world power. And I think hopefully at some point James is going to let me ride his bike just to have a go, because I've actually never ridden an MT-09 or an XSR 900 or whatever. Oh, those rain clouds are not looking very promising. It was supposed to be a really nice day today. Cheeky Gabriella, but she is like that. She's a very cheeky person. Look at the cheekiness. But that bike is so friggin' loud, oh my god. Almost like it's just got a straight through pipe on it. Alright, just leave me then, go on, I don't need you to. Triple cylinder motorcycle friend. Oh, triple friends! Triple cylinder friends! Oh, triple friends, hello, hello. Empty turn. Oh, triple friends, oh! Oh, my bike is going to be so dirty. It's not red or anything like that, but it's all moisture. Especially if we go up into the hills now. But this hill is like brings you right up into the clouds. It's wonderful. Like on a foggy day, like this whole area around here is just completely covered in oh hello. Just completely covered in cloud. It's wonderful. I wonder why everyone's braking up here. Oh, of course, cyclists. Come on, guys, you can do it. You can make it. Pump those legs. Pump those leggies. Woo, woo, woo. Pump those leggies. I swore that was a woman, but it's actually a man. Very feminine outline. Questioning my sexuality there for a second. Do you see all the gaps in these hedges here? Are from people crashing on this road. Like, they'll come around this corner and go straight through the hedge. And thankfully, like, it's like a nice field, you know, you're not going to get too badly fucked up. But like, I nearly once came off here because I went around this corner way too quickly. When I went around the corner, I wasn't expecting, we were probably going a little bit faster than we should have. way around the corner, and I was like, okay, this is where I either commit heavily to this corner or come off. I committed, thank God. My arsehole did kind of go like whoop, crunching a little bit, but it was alright, not too dramatic. Fine, just leave me then, I'll go park somewhere else. Fine, I'll park here then.
Look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
Very loud. What's up? It's chain loop, man. Lunatic.